Angeles. We're in Hollywood now. So once again, my name is Ilea. Our awesome driver today is kind of righty.
Inside bad, outside good. Inside bad, outside good. Oh, you're done. Great.
It's true, that courthouse looks a little bit different now than it did in Back to the Future. Now, the truth is, when that movie came out in 1985, it surprised everybody by becoming the most successful film of the year, not to mention one of the most iconic films of the 20th century. Needless to say, that courthouse became so recognizable as the Hill Valley Clock Tower that filmmakers had to change its appearance enough for use in later productions. So what they did is they built what is called a facade in front of that courthouse. A facade is just the front and sides of buildings. In other words, we only build what the camera can see, and we let your imagination fill in the rest. So what appears to be brick and stone is actually made of fiberglass and plaster casting, and it's just been painted to look like real brick and stone. Now, if you guys take a look here to the right side of the tram, you can see we've got some more Brooklyn. I think now's a good time for me to hand it over to the Today Show's Al Roker. Let's see if he can give us an idea of what kind of weather we can expect on the rest of the tour today.
Hi, everybody. Here's today's forecast for the Universal Backlot. It's going to be sunny and dry in 6 Points, Texas. Cool and cloudy in Little Europe. Expect snow and sleet on New York Street, and we've got a high chance of fog and precipitation for Skull Island, Amity Island, and Isla Nublar. That's your forecast for today. Now here's a look at what's going on in your neck of the lot.
Thanks, Al. So here we are in Old Mexico. Al seems to think there's going to be a flood, but that doesn't make sense. You need rain for a flood, right? It's not supposed to rain tonight. So this set, Old Mexico, is one of the very first sets that was ever built here on the Universal lot, and it's raining. That is some ironic timing. Still, though, this doesn't look like enough rain for a flood, right? So we'll just wait this out. We'll be on our way here in a few moments. This set was used in Westworld on HBO, as well as Last Man on Earth on Fox. In fact, just recently, okay. That really doesn't sound like it's loading up, does it? It is hard for me to tell from up here, but cars 3 and 4, could you guys just scream for me really loud if you see anything coming? Oh, okay. Yeah, I heard that. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Well, at least we're safe here at cars 1 and 2, right, guys? Great Scott! That escalated quickly. But don't worry, folks. None of that was real. It was all fake. Even the water was fake. Oh, I know, it's real water. What we do is we shoot it into overhead sprinklers, straight up into the air, let it fall back down to earth naturally with the technique we here Monday through Friday. Whenever they are filming here, that whole area becomes what is called a hot set. Hot set is just the term used for any set where there is active filming going on. That means the lights are on, cameras are rolling, there's cast and crew on the set. Now, to be fair, it is a Sunday night. We don't have a whole lot of hot sets on the lot today, but we do have one here at Soundstage 50. We're pulling a little bit of overtime, trying to wrap up for the holidays here. They are, fortunately for us, the cast and crew are on a little break, so we get to do a set visit here on inside the soundstage. This one happens to be unique. It is a 2-story soundstage. There's a second set above us, which is very unusual. Now, obviously, the tram can't get up on the second story, but there is a lot for us to see down here on the ground floor. We've got some camera and lighting equipment over by car 4. That camera is a film camera, very unusual. Usually we shoot digitally now, but film hasn't. Oh. Well, I think that was a way. That's kind of cool. Anyways, okay. Okay. Just a little aftershock, folks. Nothing to be alarmed about. Everybody just remain calm and stay in your seats. I sure love you. Oh my gosh. Oh no. Car 3. The set above us, right? So, silver lining. Yeah, I really want to see it. Oh no. The system has crashed. Okay, the door's open. everyone. We just had an earthquake. It's actually smaller than I remembered it being. I guess the camera really does have 10 pounds, am I right? Anyways, my good personal friend Jack is a professional diver with the Amity Police. You can see his boat there in the, wait a second, what's that? Oh no, that's Jack there by the boat. No, Jack. No, Jack. Jack, there's a boat. There's a boat, Jack. Jack. I'll never let go. Okay, well that really bit. I'm not gonna lie. I liked him a lot, but we don't want to end up like Jack, so everybody please remain seated at all times as we hide behind these canisters of gasoline. What could possibly go wrong? This doesn't feel right. Maybe we should see if we can get some. Oh my gosh, there's a shark! I think we're gonna need a bigger tram. Did you see his eyes? They were dead. I can tell his eyes. Woo, we made it. No power in the verse can stop us now. All right, well, let's turn this into a learning moment. Can anybody tell me what kind of shark that is? Great white? A bunch of people say great white. This one's actually a robot shark. That's the answer we're looking for. Robot shark. In fact, if you take a look behind you, you can see the only shark in the world that can do the backstroke. But up, thank you. Thanks, I got some. Also filmed on our front lot using 11 of our sound stages. That's nearly half. And one of those sound stages was used entirely for putting Who's into their Who makeup. But those poor Who's of Whoville, they just had the worst vacancies.
Oh, we have 12 vacancies. 12 cabins, 12 vacancies.
Oh my gosh, that's what I just said. It's almost as if we're the same person, but that would be crazy, right? Now we'll pass my mother's house here as quietly as possible. She does live in this house just up the hill behind the motel with Norman, and hopefully she doesn't see us out the bedroom window because she does have a reputation for being a little bit mad. But you know, we all go a little mad sometimes, especially when there's a plane crash in your backyard, which is exactly what poor mother is dealing with. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the crash site from Steven Spielberg's War of the Worlds.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around the vision of Steven.
To sit down to talk about the War of the Worlds, I thought, what if the 747 goes down right in a big neighborhood? Because it's just something you don't see.
You're doing good. You're doing good. Keep that away. That's me. Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Got them closed? Robbie, get in. Get in.
For those of you who are hurting you.